You can see in this question we have given this I max over I minimum, and this I max over I minimum is 9 by 4, and question is asking about the A1 by A2, that is the ratio of amplitude of superimposing waves. So we know that we can write down this I max as root I1 plus root I2 and whole square, and I minimum as root I1 minus root I2 whole square, that is equal to 9 by 4. Now we can do one thing. We can take common this root I2 from both numerator and denominator. Then we will have root I1 over I2 plus 1 and root I1 by I2 minus 1 whole square, that is equal to 9 by 4. Now we all know that that is intensity is equal to Ka square. So I can do one thing. Instead of I1 and I2, I can write down it is A1 by A2 plus 1, A1 by A2 minus 1 whole square equal to 9 by 4. Where is the root? Root is gone because this is Ka square. So A will come out of the square root. So we will have this thing. Now we can do one thing. A1 by A2 is equal to x. Then we will have a simpler equation, x plus 1 x minus 1 whole square 9 by 4. So we can write it down, x plus 1 x minus 1 equal to 3 by 2. That is because I took the this under root on both sides. So now it is 2x plus 2, that is equal to 3x minus 3. Now we can find out x equal to 5. And what is x? X is A1 by A2. That is the part of question that was asked in the question. So it is the answer.